Hello, I'm Leslie from Period 5, and today I'll be teaching you how to solve a matrix, and it's going to be number 7 from your DPs. And well, here is the system. We got x minus y plus 2z equals 0, negative 3x plus y minus 2z equals negative 6, negative 2x minus y equals 11. And the first thing I did was I pulled out I multiplied it by negative 1, so I could get all these as a positive number. And I left it as is in the order I put it in my matrix. So I put 1, negative 1, 2, 0, negative 3, 1, negative 2, negative 6, and positive 2, 1, 0, remember, because there isn't a z right there, and 11. And keep in mind throughout the problem that this is row 1, row 2, row 3, x, y, z, and your answers. Okay, so remember that we first have to get a 0 right here at your bottom left corner. So what I did is I got row 3 minus 2 of row 1, and I got 1, negative 2, negative 1 parentheses 0, minus 1 parentheses 2, 11, minus 2, 0. And this row 3 changed to 0, 3, negative 4, and 11. And after we do that, we have to make sure that this 0 in the middle column on your left is a 0. So what we did here was we got row 2 plus 3 of R1, and we obviously got 3, negative 3, 6, and 0. And we added these two, and we got 0, negative 2, 4, and negative 6. Once that was done, we needed to make sure that we got a triangle of zeros at the bottom left corner. So what I did was I got 2 of R3 plus 3 times R2, and I got 2, negative 2 plus 4 plus 3 times 4, 2 times 11 plus 3 times negative 6. And now that we did that, we got 0, 0, 4, and 4. Once we finally do that, we need the stair step ones. So in order to get the stair step ones, I got row 2 and I multiply it by negative 1 over 2. And since, I got negative 2 for row 2 and I need a 1, what I did was, again, multiplied it by negative 1 over 2. And that gave me 2. And then that gave me negative 2. And that gave me positive 3. And we needed a 1 right here where the 4 is. So I multiplied it by 1 over 4. And that gave me 4. And 1. And 1 on the last two. So that was the matrix that we finished. And remember that this is x, y, and z. So we got z equals 1. And we're going to plug z back into the equation in order for us to find y. So we put y minus 2z equals 3. Y minus 2 times 1 equals 3. At the end, y equals 11. And now we're going to find x. And now that we know y and z, we can plug them into the equation. So we got x minus y plus 2z equals 0. X minus 5 plus 2 times 1 equals 0. X minus 3 equals 0. Add 3 to both sides, and x equals 0. And now we have to make sure that we get it in ordered pairs. So we put in x, y, z form. So we get 3, 5, and 1 as our answer. And this is going to be independent. And to make sure that we did this problem correctly, we can go back into the calculator and make sure that we did it right. And in order to do that, we have to go second matrix. Oh, oops, I mean just matrix. Oh my god, my computer's acting up. My calculator, I mean. Second matrix, and we go to edit. This is obviously a 3x4. We are just going to go back and plug in the initial numbers that we have here. So it'd be 1, -1, 2, 0, and we have -3, 1, -2, -6, and then lastly we'd have 2, 1, 0, and 11. And for that we just go again second quit, and then we'd go back to matrix and go to math and scroll down all the way till we find, there we go, RREF, and we go back to the matrix, select number 1, just press enter, close the parentheses, and there you have it. That's what we got. That's good. Alright, thank you. Thanks for watching.